Assalamu alaikum. In the last video we have learned how we can sign up on Fiverr. So in this video we will proceed it. So let's open the Chrome browser. Here it is. I will open Fiverr here. I would suggest you to download the Fiverr app from the Play Store or Apple Store as well. I will turn on the desktop mode. सो जब आपने साइन अप कर लेना है तो उससे आगे नेक्स्ट हमारा प्रोसेस होता है कि जो भी आपकी स्किल है उसके रिलेटेड हम अपनी सर्विसेज कैसे प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल हम सारी कैटेगरीज़ को डिटेल्स में डिस्कस करेंगे। अगर आपके स्किल्स लोगो डिज़ाइन में है, लोगो डिज़ाइन भी छोड़ेंगे, अगर आपकी स्किल पहले कैटेगरीज देखते हैं उसके बाद सब कैटेगरीज देखेंगे। तो मेन कैटेगरी आती है ग्राफिक डिज़ाइन। सो लेट्स ओपन इट। सो आपने तो ज्वाइन किया होगा, लेकिन फ़िलहाल मैं ज्वाइनिंग के बगैर आपको गाइड करूँगा। सो हेयर आर द लोड्स ऑफ सब कैटेगरीज। एज यू कैन सी, basically you have to be expert in any of these. For example, if you know graphics, you must be expert in logo design or brand styles or game art or multiple. But this is huge market. So let's open logo design. So on the logo design, these are the gigs. In the logo design there is very high competition. For example, in the logo design there is again subcategories: minimalist, 3D, mascot, signature, hand drawn, vintage, watercolor. We will discuss all of these one by one. So let's open. For example, if you are expert in minimalist logos, open this category. So here are the minimalist logos. You have to be expert in these kind of logos to rank in this category. So in short, basically there is a category, for example graphic design, and there are loads of subcategories. For example, logo design, NFTs, brands, brochures, flyers, and these come into subcategories. We will open this one. So basically 94 orders in school. This is a huge number. Let's go back. Let's choose another one. Open this one. 22 orders in queue. Here it is. It means these are pending order. The seller have to design this one. So in this short video, our main aim is to guide you basically about, let's write here, category, and subcategories. subcategory, let's raise it. And then subcategories divide into further 8 subcategories. Subcategories divide further. I hope I am making sense. So in this video our main aim is to discuss only categories, subcategories and their subcategories. So if you are graphic designer, you have to be expert in its subcategories. So we will discuss other categories in the later videos. Our this video is over and we will come up with tomorrow. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.